Hey guys, today let's talk about the functions in C++. Before that, I would like to talk about a real world example, which might not be relatable as of now to our video's topic, but let's talk about it and then surely we would use it to understand the concept of functions later in this video. So here I go with the example. Before I start, I want to tell you that example will be flashed on screen in between, so you can focus on my voice as well as on the screen. And feel free to pause the video in between and make the necessary notes in your notebook as they appear on screen. So let's start. Ram, Rishi, and Riya are three siblings. All three are cricket enthusiasts and they just love the game. All three of them play this game very well. Uh, they have a single cricket box at home, which is shared by all three of them. And last, they store this kit in a corner of their living room. These are four facts we have established in our example. Now let's ask few questions to get some interesting answers, and simultaneously we will understand the concept of functions too. So first question is, what if they had no cricket box? Answer is simple. Then they would be storing bat at one place and the ball at other place and gloves at some third place and helmet at fourth place. Due to multiple storage places, it would look messy, right? Also, it would be difficult to gather every single thing when they want to rush for playing cricket. Now, same thing goes for functions in programming language. Just like CricketBox grouped all the cricket essentials in a single unit, function also acts as a box and groups or bundles the set of programming statements together in a single unit, which are to be executed one after another. You can relate what I'm saying by looking at the diagram on screen. Now let's move to our second question. How three siblings would be using this cricket box efficiently? So Monday Ram wants to play cricket in playground, so he will take the cricket box with him. Then Tuesday Ria has a cricket coaching in her school, so she would take the cricket box with her in school. Again Wednesday Ram is playing cricket downstairs, so he will be using the cricket box. And let's say on Thursday Rishi has a plan to play cricket in his friend's building, so he will take the box with him. In short, whenever one of the sibling requires the box, he or she would take the box from living room, use it, and would keep it back to the place. And the box is again ready to be used by another sibling whenever required. Now let's look how this is relatable to functions in C++. So we already saw that function groups the set of instruction. Just like cricket box is stored at a specific place in the living room, similarly functions will be stored at a specific memory location. You can see the visualization in diagram for better understanding. In diagram, you can see memory block in white color, and I have also pointed the location from where the function is stored. Now, whenever that set of instructions are required in the program, then we will make a call to the function. Whenever the function is called, basically control of execution is transferred to the function, meaning now normal execution is paused and function is being executed. And what will happen next? So as soon as the last line of function is completed, the execution control will be transferred back to the calling program. So what is calling program? Calling program means the program by which the function has been called. In our case, as per our diagram, calling program or calling function is int main and the called function is function underscore one. Again, you can take a pause and refer the diagram for better understanding. Let's say we want to execute this set of instructions for 3 times in our program. Then instead of writing them 3 times repeatedly, we would call function underscore one for 3 times and the same process will be repeated with every function call. Now let's discuss the advantages of functions in a fun way. You can see on screen that left hand side is dedicated to cricket box and right hand side is dedicated to functions. So let's start. Instead of having three different kits for three siblings, they shared one kit, hence it saved the storage space in their home. Similarly, writing function one time instead of writing the same instructions multiple times saves the memory space for us. Then, second point, buying a single kit instead of three kits is very cost effective in terms of money, obviously, right? Similarly, writing functions is cost effective because it saves memory space, and in hardware world saving memory space is equal to saving money, because when you need more memory means more hardware, means bulkier system and costlier system. So yes, this funda is cost effective. And third point is bundling all cricket essentials in a box made it less messy, or we can say it made it look structured and easy to access. Similarly, functions make our program structured, properly grouped, and also it is very easy to access repeated code lines using functions. So here with this, I'm signing off. I hope it helped. See you guys in the next video. Bye.